While it's possible to install Windows 11 on unsupported hardware, Microsoft doesn't support any available method and plans to remind users that the hardware doesn't meet the requirements with a watermark and message in the settings app. In the recent preview build available through the dev channel, a warning that reads system requirement not met appears as a watermark in the bottom right corner of the screen and settings app under the hero control. If you see this message on Windows 11, it's possible to remove the watermark and the reminder in the settings app by modifying a specific key in the registry software by Deskmoder. In this guide, you will learn the step to remove the watermark and settings alert that appears on unsupported hardware running Windows 11. Hello guys, and welcome back to my YouTube channel Shaem Tech BD. Today I will discuss how to remove system requirement not met watermark on Windows 11. I have a request, if you are new to channel, please subscribe and stay with us. Open Start on Windows 11. Search for Regedit and click the top result. Open the registry tutor app. Expand SQL current user. Expand control panel. Open unsupported hardware notification cache. Right click and select New. Then select DWRD 32-bit below. Type SB2. Double click SB2 DWRD key. Set the value 0. And click the OK button. Restart the computer. Once you complete the step, the watermark in the bottom right corner and select the same message in the settings app will be gone from Windows 11 even after restarting the computer. Hope you understand. I have a request, if you are new to channel, please subscribe and stay with us. By watching my tutorial for more tech videos, you can subscribe.